What if I told you there is a root growing wild in fields and roadsides all over the world that has been quietly healing people for over 2,000 years? A root that cleans your blood, protects your liver, clears your skin, and feeds your cells with the exact minerals your body is starving for. And what if I told you that Dr. Sebi, one of the greatest natural healers of our time, said this root was essential to full-body detoxification? Today we are talking about burdock root, and by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly why this plant deserves a permanent place in your herbal toolkit. Here is what we are covering today. First, the history behind burdock root, where it comes from, and how it has been used across thousands of years of human civilization on nearly every continent. Second, what Dr. Sebi taught about this herb, his exact teachings, and why he placed it on his official approved list. And third, the real health benefits backed by both traditional wisdom and modern research, and exactly how to use burdock root so you get the maximum healing effect from it. Burdock is a plant. Its scientific name is Arctium lapa. It belongs to the daisy family, and it grows wild across Europe, Asia, and North America. You have probably seen it without even knowing it. It is the plant with those sticky burrs that attach to your clothes and your dog's fur when you walk through a field. The inventor of Velcro actually got the idea by studying burdock seed pods under a microscope. But underneath that prickly exterior is something remarkable: the root. Burdock root can grow up to 3 feet deep into the earth, and as it grows, it pulls minerals and nutrients from deep in the soil, minerals that most shallow-rooted plants never even reach. This is a big part of what makes burdock root so powerful as a healing herb. It draws up iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus from layers of earth that most plants cannot access. Traditional Chinese medicine has used burdock root for over 2,000 years as a blood purifier, a kidney tonic, and a remedy for skin disorders and inflammation. In Japan, it is called gobo, and it is eaten as a regular food, sliced thin, stir-fried, pickled, added to soups and stews. It is part of the daily diet, not just medicine. In Native American traditions, burdock root was used to cleanse the blood and treat skin conditions. In European herbalism, it was one of the primary herbs for liver support, chronic skin problems, and inflammatory conditions going back hundreds of years. This root has a history of use across almost every major civilization on Earth, and there is a very good reason for that. It works. Now let us talk about what Dr. Sebi had to say about burdock root, because this is where things get very interesting. Dr. Sebi placed burdock root on his official list of approved herbs. He recommended it as a key herb in his cellular cleansing protocol. His position was this: disease begins in the body when the cells become compromised. And what compromises the cells? 2 things: mucus and acid. Burdock root, in Dr. Sebi's view, was one of the most effective herbs on earth for clearing mucus from the lymphatic system and restoring the alkaline environment the body needs to heal itself. He specifically highlighted burdock root's power to purify the blood and support the lymphatic system. Dr. Sebi often said that the lymphatic system is the sewer system of the body, and if that system is backed up and congested, nothing in the body can function correctly. The waste just keeps building up. Burdock root helps move and cleanse that system, allowing the body to eliminate what it needs to eliminate. He also pointed to burdock root's mineral density. Dr. Sebi was passionate about feeding cells with natural, plant-sourced minerals, not synthetic supplements from a laboratory. Burdock root is rich in iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These are exactly the minerals Dr. Sebi said the body needs to maintain electrical potential and support proper cellular function. If you follow Dr. Sebi's nutritional guide, burdock root belongs in your practice, not as a passing supplement you try for a week, but as a consistent, foundational herb you return to again and again. So what does burdock root actually do in the body? Let us break it down. Number 1. Blood purification. This is what burdock root has been used for across every culture that knows it. Burdock root contains active compounds including inulin, phenolic acids, and flavonoids. These compounds work together to filter impurities from the blood, support liver detoxification, and reduce the burden on the kidneys. When your blood is clean, your organs work better, your skin clears up, your energy improves, and your immune system operates at a higher level. Clean blood is the foundation of everything. Number 2. Liver support. The liver is your body's primary filtration organ. It processes everything that enters your body: the food you eat, the water you drink, medications, environmental toxins, hormones. When your liver is overloaded, everything downstream suffers. Burdock root has been shown to protect liver cells from oxidative damage, support bile production, and enhance the liver's ability to break down and eliminate toxins. If you have been dealing with chronic fatigue, digestive issues, skin problems, or hormonal imbalances, the root cause is very often a congested, overworked liver. Burdock root goes directly to that problem. Number 3. Skin healing. Some of the most powerful evidence for burdock root comes from its effect on the skin. Because burdock purifies the blood and supports lymphatic drainage, skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and chronic acne often respond dramatically to consistent burdock root use. Here is the key principle. The skin is the largest organ of elimination in the body. When your blood is toxic and your lymphatic system is backed up, that toxicity has to go somewhere. It pushes out through the skin. Burdock root clears the upstream problem, and as it does, the skin heals as a natural result. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Burdock root is packed with powerful antioxidants, quercetin, luteolin, and phenolic acids that neutralize free radicals and reduce systemic inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is the common thread running through most modern diseases: cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, autoimmune conditions. Burdock root helps calm that fire before it takes hold. This is not a drug with side effects. This is a whole plant working with your body's natural systems. Number 5. Prebiotic support for your gut. Burdock root is one of the richest natural sources of inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential to immune function, mental health, mood regulation, and nutrient absorption. When the gut flora is balanced, the whole body benefits. Burdock root feeds the right bacteria and creates the internal environment for a healthier, stronger gut. Now, how do you actually use burdock root? There are several effective methods, and the right one depends on your goals and your lifestyle. The most traditional and most effective method is burdock root tea, specifically a decoction. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried burdock root, either loose or in a reusable tea filter, and simmer it in 2 cups of filtered water for 15 to 20 minutes. This is a decoction, not a simple steep. Because burdock root is a dense, woody root, you need that simmering time to properly extract the active compounds into the water. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day. For the best results, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or about 30 minutes before meals. The second option is burdock root tincture, a concentrated liquid extract of the herb made by soaking the root in alcohol or glycerin. Take 2 to 4 milliliters 2 to 3 times per day. That is roughly 30 to 60 drops. Tinctures are fast-acting, easy to travel with, and very convenient. You can add them to a small glass of spring water. The third option is capsules or powder. If you want a standardized, convenient form, burdock root capsules typically contain 300 to 500 milligrams of root per capsule. Take 1 to 2 capsules with water 2 to 3 times per day. This is a good option for people who want the benefits without preparing tea every morning. And the fourth option, and this is the one Dr. Sebi would appreciate most, is the fresh or dried root used as food. Slice burdock root thin and cook it like a vegetable. Add it to soups, stews, or stir-fries. This is the most whole, natural form of the herb, and it carries the full spectrum of the plant's nutrition with nothing removed. It has a mild, earthy flavor that pairs well with other vegetables. No matter which method you choose, start with a lower dose and build up gradually. Give the herb at least 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use to show its full effects, particularly for skin and liver issues, which take time to resolve. And always source wild-crafted or organically grown burdock root. You want the mineral density of a plant that grew in clean, mineral-rich soil, not a commercially farmed root raised on synthetic fertilizers. Burdock root works on every level. It purifies your blood, supports your liver, heals your skin, feeds your gut bacteria, reduces inflammation, and gives your cells the natural minerals they need to function at their best. Dr. Sebi recognized what traditional healers across the world have known for thousands of years, that this humble, unassuming root is one of the most complete healing plants on this earth. If you are not already using burdock root, now is the time to start. If you found this video valuable, please like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. We share new herb knowledge every single week. You will find a link to high-quality burdock root in the description below. Your healing journey starts with one step. Take it today.